Now we're going to focus on the turbo technology. With that technology, we can go from 500 CFM up to 8,000 CFM at a maximum pressure of 15 psi. It's the most efficient technology that we have in the market. And now you can use the turbo technology for combustion air, the most challenging application in a cement plant. Join me to know a little bit more about this turbo technology.
Hello, my name is Joel Shomo. I'm the manager of Aerzen Turbo Americas, and I'd like to present to you the Aerzen Turbo Blower. Aerzen has been supplying this technology for over 10 years in applications such as aeration and fluidization. Turbo blower, or also known as the high-speed turbo, is the latest in the evolution of centrifugal blower technologies. The high-speed turbo blower evolved from earlier technologies such as the multi-stage turbo blower, which creates a pressure ratio by moving flow over multiple stages. There is also the geared single-stage turbo blower. This technology created a similar pressure ratio over one stage by driving a single impeller faster via the use of a gearbox.
Turbo blower is an innovative package blower system which offers a completely integrated design for plug-and-play approach to provide variant flow and pressure points through reliable and energy-efficient operation. The turbo blower package contains a single-stage centrifugal compressor. This conveys low-pressure compressed air by a radial impeller-directed couple to a high-speed motor, which allows the elimination of any transmission losses. The key technology of the Aerzen turbo blower is the airfoil bearing. As it stands still, the shaft sits on a foil tightened by springs. A rotational shaft and air cushion forms in the bearing between the foil and the shaft. This air watches the cushion to maintain the shaft in suspension without any need for external source of compressed air. The bearings are not lubricated and the system is absolutely oil-free. The Aerzen turbo blower includes a stainless steel impeller, which offers the durability necessary especially for harsh environments. The rotational speeds of the blower is controlled by a power inverter, specifically designed for high-rise and surge capabilities that other centrifugal technologies may have previously been challenged with. The control panel is mounted on the front of the blower enclosure. It features a display with a water and dust-proof touchscreen interface, as well as push buttons for start, stop, and emergency shutdown. The control panel also provides critical monitoring diagnostic, including air filter condition, discharge pressure, flow rate, inlet and discharge temperature, and power monitoring of the unit. With an integrated local control panel, turbo blower has several control options which can be controlled via local control or through a variety of field bus control options, from easy interface to a plant control system. Currently, Aerzen turbo technology is supporting mainly water treatment applications with over 1,600 units around the world. And because of the success in such a sustainably demanding and energy optimization industry, it's gaining important attention in large cement plants as the synergy between the turbo technology benefits and the combustion air application gets stronger as the technology keeps evolving. For instance, let's take the cement Indian market. It's the second biggest market in the world. In 2018, production capacity reached 509 million tons of cement, with over 200 large cement plants and more than 350 mini cement plants. On the other hand, cement production reached 247 million tons the same year, meaning that India reached a production overcapacity of 49%. Considering this scenario, energy consumption and low maintenance cost started to play an important role when considering total cost of operation. Nowadays, with over 50 Aerzen turbo machines operating in primary air applications, the technology is already becoming the first option for this critical process. Aerzen Turbo offers a unique set of advantages for this application in the cement industry. First, the machine is maintenance-free. Only air filters need to be replaced as there is no mechanical wear when the machine is in operation. Second, there is no oil requirement for the machine as it operates with airfoil bearings. Third, it features an Aerzen specifically designed variable speed device that is already integrated with the machine, so airflow control is easier and the flame size for the calciner can be adjusted according to the type of fuel used and the process needs. And last, energy consumption is proven to be reduced in combustion air application up to 40% compared to rotary two-lobe blower technology and up to 30% compared to three-lobe blower technology. Thank you.
Expect performance. Expect performance.